So a lot of stuff is happening this week. We're now doing the rear end. So you can see the housing there, the raised axles, hubs. So these are replaced too because the splines are way bigger than OEM. Aluminum drive shaft. And this is the front cover for the diff, and underneath is the I believe it's a Quave differential. I forgot the brand, but it's differential. We're gonna take the OEM one out. Right now we got Jeff taking out the trans, so we're going from outer to stick shift, and he already took out the twins, all the stock stuff. So a lot of stuff happening this week. So this is the clutch. Is it a single disc? Oh, twin disc. Is the RXT 1200. Nice. So this is the entire kit from Granas Racing. That's the adapter, the trans mount, and the transmission is in there. It's orange. And John is here taking out the OEM diff and the whole rear end. And this is the new rear end. It's all assembled here now, so we just gotta put it in the car. What does it say? Or take it out and then we can read it because it's upside down. It? No, I don't think so. No. It says Joel Granas, level 5, bungs, powder cut,
powder
orange.
coating, orange. Yeah.
Nice. So this is a T56 Magnum, and then he modifies it so you can shift the hell out of it. And that's the clutch, the twin disc clutch with the adapter. We're test fitting it and it fits perfectly. The rear end, it's out in the back. We're waiting for the billet bushings for the diff, and then we're going to throw everything in. Making a lot of progress. This is all in 1 week, guys. We took the twins out. We did the radiant fuel system. So we're really rocking pretty quick. Okay, so this is the trans already mounted in the car. Again, it's a Granas Racing GR1000F. That's why it's orange, so only this stage comes orange. It has now fluid, the oil cooler lines. It's mounted on the car. And here's the aluminum drive shaft from the drive shaft shop to the DSS 9-inch rear end kit with the axles and the billet rear diff mounts from Powerhouse Racing. Okay, so the transmission is in, and now the next step is to install the pedals, because we are converting from automatic to manual. And here you can see the OEM clutch pedal, the brake pedal. This one, notice, is smaller than the automatic one. This is the housing for the shifter that's custom made for the automatic chassis going to a Tremec T56 Magnum. And then for the engine bay, obviously we're going to need a slave cylinder. So this is the Tilton one, but because the holes on the Supra go in an angle, Joel from Granas Racing sent a billet adapter, to compensate for that angle. So we're gonna install this. Actually, we are in the middle of the process right now. This is the reservoir for the fluid for the clutch. We got this little box that makes the speed sensor on the Tremec work with the OEM Toyota speedometer. We got some lines that are braided, wiring for this, braided lines for the clutch. So right now we are in the middle of drilling the holes to install all of the stuff I just showed you. Yeah, it's coming along. Really close to finishing this car. Yeah, that looks about right. It's pointing back, no?
Because this piece covers.
Cool. Nice. Okay, so this car is officially a manual car. We installed the brake pedal for a manual Supra and the clutch pedal assembly also for a manual Supra, so everything works like it's supposed to. And as far as the shifter, you see the panel is now a manual one, and the shifter is in right in the perfect position like a manual Supra would be. And it feels amazing too. I like the shifter feel on this thing. Now a 6-speed